SQL statement, SQL to insert null values against region ID column for a row of countries table. Alright, insert into countries, parentheses, country ID, country name, region ID, values, parentheses, apostrophe C1, comma space, apostrophe India, comma space, null, semicolon. Okay, so insert into, countries, parentheses, container, parentheses, container, parentheses, container. No value, so it's automatically a name. Name. Okay, so column title. Values, since it's like values and data. Parentheses, container, C1, India, and null for empty. Okay, so write a SQL statement, but no. To insert into null values against region ID column for a row of countries table. Okay, when you see a row, that automatically means the entire row. Row, all three of these, the entire row. Row, the entire row. Row, the entire row. Remember, row, column. So whenever you see row, it's just like the entire row. So just everything in a row, bam. Everything in a row, bam. Everything in a row, bam. There's only two, then it'd be bam. If there's only one, then it'd be bam. But they do want the entire left to right row. Alright, left, right. Of countries table. Countries table. Countries. Sometimes I'm gonna just be jumping from here to here to here. And you honestly just gotta recognize the vocabulary words. The order that they say everything is not going to be in order. You just automatically got to see insert, know it goes at the start. Countries table, know it goes right next to insert. Null, know it probably goes at the end of this, and all that. Most important thing is vocab. The order of the words is going to be completely mixed up. Alright, so insert null values against region ID column for a row of the countries table. Hold up. No values against region ID column. No values against region ID column. No values against region ID column. So no matter what else is going on in here, we want region ID to be empty. No matter what else is going on here, region has to be empty. No matter what else is going on, region has to be empty. So region ID is right here, and region ID spot is right here. Spot. So for region ID, we're going to put null. Region ID, we're going to put null. Region ID, we're going to put null. Whatever else is going on, region has to be empty. So all this other stuff going on. This is what's going on. Alright, so what's going on, and whatever else is going on, we're focusing on region ID, bam. So no values against region ID, just recognize that wording and be like, alright, isolate and null. Alright, for a row of countries table. So let's just start all over again. Write a SQL in state to insert null values. So automatically, I'm going to think to insert into no values against region ID column. We're going to isolate region ID for a row of countries table. We're going to put it in a row. And it's exactly like a puzzle. You just put everything down, and then once everything's scattered, you'd be like, alright, only this can go in front, only this can go in middle, and this can go in back, and only this can go in the end. And yeah. So when you're solving SQL, it's a puzzle, and you just got to recognize which piece probably goes where, and then you just got to scatter it all around and just, hold up, let me think. I'm probably not going to have enough time to explain the philosophy in the video, but I'm going to speak really fast. SQL is a puzzle. So first you got to vocab to recognize puzzle pieces. And then once all the puzzle pieces are down, you organize and put all the puzzle pieces everywhere. Put all the puzzle vocab pieces everywhere. And that's basically SQL. And that's basically what we did. It's 90% of the time always going to be jumbled around, and you just got to figure out how to organize it.